Welcome to this REX640 operation video. In this video, you will be introduced to the Web HMI and its basic functions. Enabling Web HMI. Connection to Web HMI can be established using different communication card ports or the LHMI service port. WHMI is disabled by default and can be enabled with a setting parameter. As only secure communication is supported for the WHMI, it must be accessed from a web browser using the HTTPS protocol. To enable the WHMI, select Parameters. Configuration. HMI. Edit. Web HMI mode and set the parameter to On. If required, WHMI login timeout can be changed as needed. Reboot the relay for the change to take effect, or select Configuration, General, Edit, Software Reset, Activate. The relay will reboot and relogging may be required if authorization is used. Logging in to Web HMI. Open a web browser and type the protection relay's IP address in the address bar. In this example, we are using the default rear port IP address, 192.168.2.10. Acknowledge the login banner notification if displayed. Type the username and password. The default username is administrator in uppercase and default password is remote 0004 in small case for administrator user. Further details on the default username and passwords can be found in the operation manual of the relay. The dashboard view is active automatically after logging in to WHMI and provides an overview of the protection relay, including, for example, the device status, LED status, measurements, latest events, and single line diagram. The menu bar contains main groups, which are divided further into more detailed submenus. From the menu bar, you can access to Device, Measurements, Recordings, Import and Export, and Parameters.